What's going on, guys? We're gonna try some Happy Lantern today. I got $1,000 denom. Those are the progressive. Maxed out major 10,000. That would be nice. All right, let's get started. Let's start with $50 spins. So we need 3 of these guys, or 6 of the lanterns. Come on, Happy Lantern. Make me happy. Don't be a sad lantern. Right? Oh, come on. Come on, baby. What is going on with Happy Lantern? Alright, let me stick in some more money. Alright, guys, I added another 2. Let's continue the same way for now. Oh, come on, Happy Lantern. Be nice to me. Your cousin Sahara is always nice to me. Oh, this thing is dead. Come on. This thing is seriously good. What is going on here? One more? Come on. Really? Come on. Oh, this is not happening, guys. You know what, guys? I'm gonna switch over to my favorite. You guys know what that is, right? We're going Sahara. Let's go. All right. All right, dollar denom. Let me show you guys the progressives. Happy Lantern was no good. All right, let's start $50 spin. All right. So Sahara, we need 3 of the palaces, or 6 of the balls or coins, whatever you guys want to call them. Come on, Sarah. You know who it is. It's my kid. You already know. Come on, baby. Ooh, one more. Come on. Ooh, two more would have been nice there. Alright, let's try a little more on Sahara. Alright, 2,000 more on Sahara. Let's go. Oh, come on. Sahara. Oh, there it is. Nice. Left or right? I'm gonna do it. Alright. Let's get a full screen here. Wild. Really? I think it's the worst bonus I've seen ever on Sahara. Wow. $182. Oh, jeez. Sarah mad at me or something? I think she is. But why? We got these instead. Oh my god, I was looking for the coins. I got that instead. Alright. We're gonna go with right, I think. Oh, alright. If I were to get another bonus, I'm gonna go with the left this time. Wow, that 25 wilds paid better than the 100 wilds. Go figure. Let's continue the same way for now. Let's get that hold and spin, can we? Sahara is not in a good mood. But that's too bad. She's got to know Mr. Mike is here. Come on, Sarah. This is horrible, guys. Sahara? Really? Let's switch it up, guys. Let's try 10 cents. Let's go with $50 max bets. Mini's 100, minor is 500. Come on. Come on, Sahara. Come on. One more. There we go. Hi, yes I am. Hi, nice to meet you too. Alright. As promised, I'm gonna go with the left. Let's do it. Oh, come on. Sarah's not having, she's not having it today. She really isn't. Alright, that was a nice line, eh? Come on. Last spin, $600. All right. Yo guys, I'm done here. Thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna switch to something else. I'll see you guys tomorrow, guys. Thank you.